Processing a vaporizer core base with a star sliding headlight imported from Japan. The raw material used is H59 bars, primarily used for electronic cigarettes. Let's guess the weight of the finished product if you know your steps. The machine model is SB2 over Type egg. First, we use a drill bit to create holes. After drilling, we use a boring tool to bore the holes. When the holes of this product are finished being bored, we use an external turning tool to turn the outer diameter. Next, a grooving tool begins to groove the back of the product. The side milling cutter starts milling the three-sided grooves. Finally, we perform end milling, where the end mill cuts a vertical groove. At this point, there's just one last step. Finally, we proceed to cutting. The back shaft then aligns the material. A perfect vaporizer core base has been produced. The processing efficiency of this product is very high, and our technology is particularly mature. Additionally, the wall of the holes is very thin, only about 0.5 millimeters. And after the product is completed, we will conduct strict quality inspection on it. Ensure the quality of the product. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.